following footage is of the first time ever that I have flew a drone. As you can see, as a beginner, there is a lot of choppy movements. So that's one thing I didn't expect when I was driving it and then when I was reviewing the footage. In fact, sometimes it got really choppy with the camera movements, and I cut that out of the video because it was just really bad. So these are even the best moments, and you can still see how choppy it is. The choppiness comes from essentially the remote. Turns out, it's not the smooth, gradual movement of the camera. You push the remote in one direction to go up or down or left or right, or you have the camera gimbal go, and it's kind of this, okay, you pushed, I'm moving to the left real quickly, and then you stop. So I have to learn to push my force more gradually and then ease off gradually. And it's just such a slight difference. I mean, probably a difference between 2 to 5 pounds of weight on the controller settings. But as you can see, it's not a gradual left to right. It's more of this boop, boop. So I have to work on that. I think the only thing that still looks kind of cinematic and gradual is when you're flying the machine forward and back. I mean, that's something that it's not as choppy. It speeds up and then it slows down. Any type of camera movements or movements of the drone itself, up or down, left or right, it gets really choppy. And so some of that I hope will come with practice. A lot of it just has to do with the fact that I'm wrangling so many different controls. Unlike a car, you also have to worry about up and down, left and right, and then the camera gimbal movements up and down as well, all at once. So it's tougher than it looks. This is the DJI Mini 2.